Hey guys, I'm Nath. This is ashwagandha. Yeah, I've got a little Roberts 25 fixed keeler that I've had for a few months now, and I've just been tinkering away at. And I'm just about to pull apart and rebuild the head in it. And I thought, I've been watching a lot of other YouTube channels of sailing, and I really appreciate the resource of that kind of information. So I thought I'd add to it because it's always good to just get another take on things, and some you can relate to and some others you can't, depending on the size of your boat and the project you're tackling and the approach that you take. So I'm no way a professional, nor am I up to the standard of Mads from Sailing Life or Troy and Paskey from Free Range Sailing, but maybe, I don't know, somewhere a little lower on that order of things. So, if you want to see an amateur rebuild a head, then follow along and we'll see where it takes us. There's a little hex head bit to take this off. Okay, let's go get one of those. I haven't got one on the boat. So we'll have to jump back on the push bike. Alright, we're back to the boat. Let's see if we can continue on with this bathroom demolition. I haven't got my drill here, so I'm using the old hex bit in a socket trick. Seems to be doing the job. Alright. One. Not too bad, they're a bit stuck. That worked. See how gross this is under here. Pull this out of the way. Hopefully this just comes up. Yes. Whoa, there's a massive through hole there. Look at that. Wonder what that was for. Didn't even know that was there. Wow. That's the last of them. Hey guys, another day. I'm just about to start cutting into the floor along the wall's edge because this piece is a bit rotten, a bit soft and delaminating from one another, so I'm going to cut it off. Now I thought I'd put a bit of plastic on the door so the dust doesn't fill the rest of the cabin. I want to keep it kind of clean in here.